Hey, so if you're planning to buy a home in 2026, finding the best mortgage rate is really important. In this video, I'll show you how to find mortgage rates on NerdWallet step by step, so you can compare deals easily. Alright, first, open your browser and go to the official NerdWallet website. Then head to the Mortgages section. Now, click on Mortgage Rates or Compare Mortgage Rates to open the rate comparison tool. Next, enter your loan details like home price, down payment, credit score, and loan type. This helps show personalized rates. Now you'll see different mortgage options like 30-year fixed, 15-year fixed, and adjustable rate loans with updated APRs. Next, scroll through different lenders and compare interest rates, monthly payments, and total loan costs. You can also use filters to narrow results by loan type, credit score range, or refinance versus purchase. It's also smart to check rate trends so you can see if mortgage rates are going up or down before you decide. So, yeah, that's how you can find mortgage rates on NerdWallet in 2026. It helps you compare lenders and potentially save thousands over time. And hey,